Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. It is Vlogtober, Hairtober. It is October, and we're about to get these hairstyles going. It is day 23. We are almost there, y'all. But this is actually gonna be a simple hairstyle. And I'm actually going to use my hairstyle before to be my guide. So we're going to put this hair to the back because we do not need it at the moment. And we are gonna get started. So since I already have 2 halves, all I'm gonna do is literally turn these 2 halves into thirds or fourths, depending on how much I'm thinking. Let's see. I'm thinking fourths. Okay, we're gonna turn it into fourths. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So let me actually make sure this side is out the way. Whew. We about to talk about we about to talk about how tired my freaking arms are, but are y'all okay? I saved y'all. That's how much I love y'all. Y'all go subscribe. What other YouTubers out here saving y'all like that, you know? Like y'all was literally just like falling to y'all demise, and I just like came and Captain saved y'all. Like, yeah. So yeah, I deserve a subscribe after that. Just putting it out there, just in case you guys, you know, want to make me happy. And now we have our sections. Let's get into this. Well, would it be the second part? Let's get into the next part. Okay, so what we're gonna do to each little piece is part it right down the middle of the section. That was in the middle of the section, so we're gonna start again. Part it right down the middle of the section. We're in the front part, and then bring it to the second part, and then rubber band it. I always like, I always do messing up on that part, cause I don't be really knowing which way I'm gonna do it, you know. But okay, separate it a little bit, and now do the rest like that. We are back. Okay. My hair just be acting like you don't want to like do what it need to do, you know? Like this. Actually, we about to do something. I'm about to make a crown. Yeah. Cause it just looks weird. Like just back like that. So hold on. I don't know why I undid the back. Let me do it back. Okay. And now we're about to twist it. So which way do I want to twist? Probably this way. Yeah. Okay, twist it all the way down. Okay. Rubber band on the end, by a little security, a little support, and then take this out and put this behind. With a button. I like this. Okay, we are. Hold on. We are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we have. I'm not even gonna count. We have just a few more days, like a week worth. I want to say a week worth, but yeah. See you later.